Week number 4 update in November. Welcome back to the channel, folks. We're gonna check on some spinach seeds that I planted a couple days ago. Build a little heat box because it is a little cold, and check on the rest of the garden. So join me. When starting some seeds, you need a little heat to get the seeds to pop. And because I don't have a heat mat, I just made a little DIY cardboard box with a little enclosed light, not an open bulb. This light is enclosed in its own case. I used some old cups to cut, planted my seeds, used one for a cover, and in a few days they sprouted. Still running off of one driver, and you probably can't see it in the camera, but it's a lot less brighter with one driver, and I can definitely see it in the canopy of the vegetables. This left side, it's not as growing as fast as the right side, so one panel is getting a little bit more watts than the other, but nonetheless I will still have a nice crop of leaf cabbage here in a couple weeks. pH sitting at 6.0. Water temperature 65 degrees.